It is a big tree day in a big frosty field. So, just been brushing this down, taking off all the overhang. There is a main A-road on the other side of those conifers. So now we're in a point where I can get the winch on it, drop it, play with some big saws. So I thought I might bring you along for the fell. Probably should have filmed this from the start. It's been a fun one. That went pretty smooth, didn't it? That is the biggest back-weighted fell I have ever done. Categorically, and yesterday, that eucalyptus that we didn't really get much filming done on, I'll throw that in at the end, that was the biggest takedown with restricted drop space I've ever done, actually. Maybe not the biggest, but the heaviest, without a doubt. So yeah, I suppose we've had to tidy up now.